Dear students of 9th standard, a very pleasant morning. In previous sessions, you would have learnt about classification of plant tissues and animal tissues. This is a continuation of the same topic, organization of tissues. Presenting you is Mrs. Chitra, your biology teacher. Today, in this session, we are going to learn about two animal tissues, namely muscular tissue and nervous tissue. First, we will see the structure and function of muscle tissues. Muscle tissues are made up of muscle cells. Each muscle cell is made up of many long cylindrical fibers arranged parallel to one another. They are called myofibrils. According to their structure, location, and functions, there are three main types of muscles. They are skeletal muscle or striated muscles, smooth muscles or non-striated muscle, and cardiac muscle. Here, this picture shows the location, structure, and function of different muscles. Skeletal muscle has striated, tubular, multinucleated fibers. It's usually attached to the bones or the skeleton. It is voluntary in nature. The second one is a smooth muscle. It has spindle-shaped, non-striated, uninucleated fibers. They occur in walls of internal organs. They are involuntary in nature. What is the meaning of voluntary and involuntary? The muscles which is found in the hands and legs are voluntary. That means they are under your control. If you want, you can move the muscles. You can move your hand by pulling the muscles or by using that muscles. The voluntary muscles are used for walking, running, etc. But other hand, the involuntary muscles, that is the smooth muscles, are found only in the internal organs like stomach, urinary bladder, etc. They are not under your control. That is why they are called smooth muscles. The third one is the cardiac muscle. It has striated, branched, uninucleated fibers. They are found only in the walls of heart. They are also involuntary in nature. The three types of muscles are skeletal muscle attached to the bones, cardiac muscle found in the heart, and smooth muscles found in the internal organs. Now, let us see what is nervous tissue. The nervous tissue is made up of nerve cells called neuron. The neuron is the longest cell in our body. It consists of three parts, namely cell body, axon, and dendron. The cell body is also known as cytosol. Dendrons are short and highly branched. Axon is single and long process. It develops from cytosol. Axon ends up with the terminal branches. They receive stimuli from outside and sent to different parts of our body. Stimuli means any change in the environment, that means temperature or heat or cold, anything. We can understand the changes in the environment due to the presence of nerve cells. The structure of a nerve cell is shown here. There are the three main parts are cell body, that is cyton, axon, the long process, and the dendrons or the dendrites. In the cell body, nucleus and cytoplasm are there. The terminal end is found at the end of the axon. So till now, we have discussed about two types of tissues, namely muscular tissue and nervous tissue. Thank you.